Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix network errors, connection errors, high ping, lag, and problems joining servers and how to fish on PC. If you're unable to connect to the servers, keep getting disconnected, or experience high latency while playing, follow these solutions one by one. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu. Type Control Panel and open it. Click on Network and Internet. Then open Network and Sharing Center. Click on your current network connection. In the window that appears, click Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Select it and click Properties. Now select. Use the following DNS server addresses for preferred DNS server. Enter 8.8.8.8. For alternate DNS server, enter 8.4.4.8. Click OK to save the changes. Close the remaining windows. Now launch How to Fish and check if you can connect to the servers and if your connection has improved. If you're still having problems, continue with the next solution. Solution 2. Open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes when Windows asks for permission. Now we're going to run several network commands. First, type ipconfig/release. Press Enter. Next, type ipconfig/renew. Press Enter. Now type ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Finally, type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter. This will reset the Windows network socket configuration and clear your DNS cache. Once all the commands have been completed, close Command Prompt. Restart your PC and test How to Fish again. Solution 3. If you're still getting a connection or network error, open the Start menu. Click Settings. Select Network and Internet. Scroll down and open Advanced Network Settings. Now scroll down and select Network Reset. Click Reset Now. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to reset your network settings. Click Yes. Then click Close. Keep in mind that a network reset removes and reinstalls your network adapters and resets their settings, so you may need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network afterward. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. Once Windows starts again, reconnect to the Internet. Launch How to Fish and check if the network error, connection error, server connection problems, high ping, or lag have been fixed.